I'm getting my hands dirty today. Finally, we've done it. Hey guys, so this is the day we finally fitted the rest of the body kit to the M4. It took us about 5 hours just because we didn't have the right tools for it, so we had to ring people and see if they had it, and we didn't actually know what we was doing, so we had to look it up on YouTube most of the time. But yeah, we finally fitted the kit. There was some parts of the kit that we didn't fit because it didn't actually fit properly because it's a replica kit. So yeah, we left that bit out, but I think it's turned out okay. There's still some bits that I still need to do to it to make it better, but I will quickly show you. Dum dum dum. So here it is, guys. Here's the front splitter. And we did actually have the parts that go here for the kit that were carbon fibre, but it didn't fit properly. Hi Mr. Grey. Because it didn't fit right to the corner here, and it didn't fit right to the corner up here, and also didn't go all the way to the edge. I've noticed on some people's cars that they put tape here to hide this edge, but mine didn't even fit in the corners, so there was no point in me actually doing that. So if I move to the side of the car, I have a surprise for you all. You ready? Boom! Check that out. I have some new wheels on there. They are the 20-inch Mania Mayfair wheels. I've actually had these refurbed in the anthracite grey, and it didn't originally have those gold bolts on there. They used to be silver. But yeah, I had it all refurbed, and it goes way better with the car now. And check out the side skirts. Mr. Grey, Mr. Grey, come here. Check out those side skirts. I think the side skirts actually fitted better than the front lip. But yeah, look at them. Now we've actually had to screw these in. They screwed it in the corner here and the corner over there, and one in the middle, and then we screwed 2 in between. So we must have about 2, 4, 6, 7 screws in there, but I don't actually think that's enough, so I'm going to put some more screws in. We actually ran out of screws, so I'm waiting for some more to come. And the front splitter, so the reason why I'm not very happy with the splitter is because there is actually a gap, and I'll show you right there. Can you see that gap? So I'm going to actually put some more screws in there just to hold it up a bit more, just to try and delete that gap a bit more, because it doesn't go well with the side skirts. Because if you look at the side skirts, there's no gap, but on this front splitter there is a gap. So yeah, I'm not happy with that. I need to stick some more screws in there when they arrive. But apart from that, what do you guys think? Yes or no? What do you guys think to me not putting the carbon fibre bits here? I think it actually looks better without them, but you guys let me know. Yeah, so let us know what you guys think to us not installing these parts of the splitter, because I don't know, it's just the way it fits. It's these corners that don't meet the car properly. I'll show you a photo, but I suppose I could try and get some sandpaper and shave it down slightly, I'm not sure. But I actually think the car looks nice without these, so I don't know. What do you guys think? The rest of the video will be us attending the Hull Motor Show, so I hope you enjoy that, and until next time, drive safe and stay safe. Bye! It's the morning of the show and we're getting some morning essentials. McDonald's!
McDee's!
What are you getting, Boo?
Cheesy bacon flatbreads.
Oh yeah, McDonald's. But we're not allowed to eat in the car, Gav. That is the #1 rule in this car.
Don't always stand.
We are not allowed to eat in this car. That's why we're going to go home and eat it.
Running around the corner from here. Might as well.
So I have my McDonald's breakfast and this is what I have to put up with. 2 cats wanting my food. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing? No?
Protrusion and the seat post cut down, and then a range of tools. Some of them are more appropriate for cutting different types of material than others, but we'll work our way through and demonstrate which ones are better and what sort of cut you can expect. So
here it is. Waiting to get in. Well, to get parked. Anything happening?
Nope.
So this is the Hull Motor Show. Do not touch. Gav, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I know you don't like people tell you what not to do. Oh, it's just the right height for me. That's cute.
Go on, get in.
It is the Hull Motor Show after all, not just about the cars. So only at Hull Motor Show you get Deadpool.
We haven't been where that banging is, so
No.
hold on.
Now that's a display stand.
Start again. But check out this car. Ooh. The best cars are always in the car park. How do you like those skirts? Not bad, eh? And those wheels, meh, they're okay. How about the front lip? Yeah, that's alright too. What did he say? I think he was shouting rev it or something.
Rev it? No. We're not revving it.
Not one bit beyond that.
Well, it was okay. It's just a bog standard show with standard cars and different wheels on. What do you think?
Yeah. Low end.
It was alright. For Hull, it was okay. I've been to better shows, but not in Hull. Goodbye, Hull Motor Show. It's a shame it started raining, but oh well, never mind.